Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to Soft Solution Repairs and it's Akil here. Today we are going to replace screen on Samsung A70. There isn't any visible crack on the screen, but LED underneath is broken. That's the reason there is no image, and if we plug in the charger, it charges fine and makes noises, but obviously nothing shows up because of broken screen. In order to get into the phone, we'll have to remove back cover. So let's begin the work and fix this phone. First of all, we'll remove SIM tray, then heat up back side of the phone. Be careful while using heat gun because back cover is plastic made and you don't want to melt it down. Once back cover is warmed up enough, we'll use thin aluminum card and break the adhesive. You can also use plain card instead. And if you struggle at any point, you can reheat your required area and it will be a lot easier now. Once back cover is removed, now we have access to the screws. So unscrew all of them pointed in red circle using 1.8 mm Phillips screwdriver. Now we'll go ahead and remove the second cover, which is covering battery and other components including main board, charging port, etc. And once that is removed, we'll disconnect the battery first, then main flex which connects daughter board to motherboard. Then unscrew these two using same screwdriver and release the thumbprint scanner. Now disconnect other side of the main flex, LCD flex and antenna ribbon. And then you can remove the daughter board. Now disconnect antenna ribbon from top side. Then unscrew this one which is holding the motherboard down, and then we'll go ahead and remove the motherboard. Now we'll remove earpiece, vibrator and antenna cable. Then we'll go ahead and remove the battery. In order to remove the battery, we'll have to heat up the other side on the screen. I give you a tip here. If your screen is okay and you want to remove the battery, you don't want to keep your hot air temperature too high and burn the screen. Then we'll use battery remover and pull the battery from one side and the battery is out. Here is the replacement part. Now we are going to assemble it with all those components we have removed from faulty one. So let's go ahead and finish the rest of the work. First put the earpiece on its place, then vibrator, then motherboard and tight the screw to hold the motherboard down. Then place the daughter board and connect display flex to it. Then connect the antenna cable on both sides. Now place thumbprint scanner, plug it in and then screw it down. Then use double-sided tape and stick the battery. Now connect both boards using main flex cable. Once we make sure everything is plugged and connected properly, we'll go ahead and clip the component cover and screw it down. This is the point you can test your phone and make sure everything is working as it should be. After tightening the screws, we'll stick the back cover and turn the phone on to make sure screen is working fine. This will take a little while. In the meantime, I would request those haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click bell icon to turn the notifications on and ask any question in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video and goodbye for now.